Let's take a look at how the custom field added in Salesforce is reflected in SQL Server. Now, let's go ahead and run a clean copy. You can view sync progress on the logs page. The data from account and contact object has been synced to target. You can see the data on the SQL Server synced from Salesforce. Now, let's open the Salesforce and go to Setup to open the account object. Let's head over to the Fields and Relationships tab on the account object. Click on New. Pick the data type you need. Give the field a name. Set the visibility and save it. Now you can see the custom field that has been added, along with the data populated in it. Let's switch to DBSync tab. Select the profile and run the source to DB incremental sync. You can view in the logs the modified record, where the custom field was created for account object and data was added. That specific record has been picked up for sync, and the data will be reflected in the target. Finally, let's go ahead and open the account object on SQL Server. Let's view the data. We can verify the updates reflected on the target. You can see that the custom field created in the source is now reflected in SQL Server. And that's how DBSync makes handling schema changes easy, all in one click. The results speak for themselves. Customers like Barracuda Networks see real ROI, 70% reduction in manual data entry, 40% improvement in accuracy, over 50% productivity boost, and 25% of developer time reclaimed annually. Ready to see it yourself? Try the playground, no download required. Book a personalized demo with a DBSync expert, or visit the docs.mydbsync.com for full setup guides and CDC configuration. Thanks for watching. We look forward to simplifying your database replication.